How to print from your phone to any printer, Wi-Fi and USB. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to print from your iPhone, whether you're using a Wi-Fi printer or a USB connection. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Make sure your iPhone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network and that your printer supports AirPrint. Now open the document, photo, or web page you want to print. Tap the share icon, then scroll down and tap Print. Select your printer from the list, choose your options like number of copies or pages, and then tap Print in the top right corner. If your printer doesn't appear, check if it supports AirPrint or download the printer's official app, like HP Smart, Canon PRINT, or Epson iPrint from the App Store for more features. Now, printing with a USB printer. To print via USB, you'll need a Lightning to USB adapter and your printer's USB cable. Connect your iPhone to the printer using the adapter. Then open your file, tap the share icon, choose Print, and select the connected printer if it shows up. For better compatibility with USB printers, you can also try third-party apps like Print Central from the App Store. And that's how you can print from your iPhone to any printer, wirelessly or with a USB cable. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know what printer you're using in the comments. That's all for the video.